Yo, what's going on? Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make that sick dough in crypto? Hit the like. Please, most of all, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notifications. So when we do go live, you get these episodes/videos immediately. Wall Street Pete, have a seat. Good morning, everybody. RJ, yo, what's up? And I want to talk a lot about what I just found in the charts. Very alarming, but if you don't want to sell, and this is nothing a panic, this is just, hey, we're going to fall. I'm calling this, and you just need to buckle up and relax. I'll show you the worst case scenario in a second. So, I've been going in the charts this morning. I woke up, and I was looking at this monthly chart, and this is TradingView. You can grab it if you want. It's free. I pay nothing for it. And now, pay close attention to what we're talking about here. This is the month. Now, Bitcoin, we already know. We've talked about this 100 times on my channel. September's the bearish month. September 2020, we fall, okay? Now, before we get that fall, what happens? Well, after September 20, now September 21, we show the same thing. Huge upside swing, right? The last red of the month of a down price for that upswing in the fourth quarter was here. We're going to get that same upswing. Well, that's really exciting. Well, that's great news. Great Wall Street Pete. So what the fuck you talking about? Excuse my French. Well, I started breaking down, fooling around, and I said, 40% in the month of October last year. And I said, well, what would be 40%? I started fooling around. Do you know that 40% would take us right here, 39.38 just about? What is that price? Well, that's about the price when I started breaking everything down on the daily and everything down on the 4-hourly, and I started looking. We're going to fall down to 59,000. Ahmed, good morning. Before we get in, so look at the date here. We're on 10/31 coming tomorrow. So it's the last day. And what's happening is we're going to get a fall. And we may fall right about right here. If you see this last time frame, just about right in here. And if you see, that's really significant resistance. So we're going to turn it into support most likely. But if you see that, that's pretty solid. And if you notice, it takes us all the way down to 59,000. So I do believe that the worst case scenario, and that's why when I say if you're going to panic sell, don't. What's going to happen is we're going to go into the month of November. And there's something going on in the month of November on the 4th. I don't know what it is. We did TA on the 4th, and I found something amazing. And we did it yesterday. And if you want to go watch the Bitcoin video yesterday, you can. But I have something that's taken us all the way for the month. If you were to ask me, what are my chances that we're going to this in the next month? 76,000. Well, I don't ever say shit like this, but I am almost like 100% sure, and I am almost 100% sure we got virus protection, 100% sure we're going to 76K PTC. I just want to be very confirmed here. I want this to be confirmed. I want everyone to understand that 100% I am that sure that in the month of November, the next wick, this is the month of October, even though we're up here at 61.3 right now. Currently is the price for Bitcoin, 61.5, 61.6. When this one day in 12 hours meets, we are going to get this green wick just not swell anymore as much as it is, and it's hit to that purple line. So just wanted you to know, I think it's very urgent. I think it's important for a lot of people to understand that. I think it's a big deal for you to know that that's a big chance. Now, I am watching this white trend, and I am showing you there's an upward W coming, but like I said, this upward W may not be coming until you follow this one, and this is the one I'm talking about, this fall right here. So it's a big deal. It's not going to go all the way down to 55,000. Please don't. But somewhere along in this old history here, if you see, pay attention, October 21 here, 15, we were in here before. We were in this range. So this ascending triangle is now just about going to be over. This is not an ascending channel here. This is just the growth of what we had from this wick to here, and it was a big deal. So that's Bitcoin. Another couple things I wanted to talk about. Solana, the same kind of situation where we're messing around here. And I think I like the way I had it up here better. Let me see if it's the same. So yeah, I might need to title Solana here. So please hit the like and subscribe. I want you to understand that there's going to be a bumpy couple days coming here. Enjoy your Halloween with your kids if you have kids, and don't let that mess with your focus here. So Solana. Solana's been doing some wild things lately, all the way down to 177, right? And that big wick down on the 27th of October. So pay attention, as that was only 3 days ago. What I'm circling up here is a head inverted head, shoulder pattern coming, hoping that this is now going to be the shoulder at this price. And if we can get a shoulder at this price, well, then you already know we should be able to break through the resistance finally. But what scares me is that red line I have on the bottom. As you see, we continue to just touch to 211. We're continuing. What did I tell you about that? The more and more you keep getting the number and asking and asking. So I'm hoping that we consolidate somewhere in here like this and continue to get this ascending triangle pattern so we can get our breakout through with the last touch of resistance. You see 1, 2, 3 more touches before we get this. 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. That's what I feel like, right? I feel like I'm at the bowl. 1, 2, 3. Literally 3 more strikes, we're good. If folks pull out of BTC, would the money go to the alt market like SHIB or Doge? Yes, that's a great question, RJ. That can happen. But I want you to understand it's very, very rare. Very, very rare that one token is going to pump while the rest of the market's dying. So just pay attention to that and listen to what I'm saying. It's very, very, very rare that the entire market is just going to shit the bed and that one SHIB is going to be going. I mean, that's maybe the only token that could do that is my example and what I'm trying to get at. There's not too many tokens that this market, Bitcoin Daddy, Mommy Ethereum, and the little bastard Cardano, those top 3, and now we have seriously Solana at the top 4 spot. And yeah, SHIB is really not at the 5. Let's calm down with that. It's just growth. I'm getting excited. And we ain't talking about pitching tents in my pants. We're talking about November 4th. That may be the day I'm pitching something. We may be. I'm telling you, November 4th has got me excited on this date for Bitcoin, a lot of things. But yes, if we do fall, please understand that. Understand. Hold on, I'm being attacked here with love for once. Understand that this rising channel is coming. This is an ascending triangle pattern, actually. And I do believe it can finish this with a nice little breakout to the upside. And I'll tell you right now, with the zero gas fees and everything that's going on with what we're dealing with, it wouldn't really shock me if it continued. So I'll tell you right now, this bull run is really about to just blow up. We're just about to see something serious. It's exciting. There's no gas fees on Solana. There's 0 gas fees. So what I expect is it's Sunday tomorrow. What's going to happen? Well, I expect a very bearish day tomorrow. I do. And maybe it's going to come down through here. And this is what I wanted to show you on Solana. So as I'm yapping away, let's do some tea. I want to show you what we're looking at. I can't break below this price. Once I start seeing this price here, I already know it's time. The trend is your friend. So the trend, we've already fought a couple times down on the trend, and we're trying to fight it. And the candle needs to finish above. So I have right now 3 hours and 28 minutes on my trading view. This is a 4-hourly candle, so each candle's 4 hours. And if you pay attention, definitely to mention, I don't want to continue this trend down here through. We could, because what would it do? Well, in my mind, it's kind of fucked up because this right here is destroying my trend line. This is the only part. But when I said, look, shoulder, I gotta get the colors. I want different colors. Shoulder, head, and this is just on a 4-hourly, right? And then we come down, and this could have just been a shoulder. So that's what scares me. So we could have got a real quick shoulder. You see it? Shoulder, head, shoulder. I don't even really know what that is. That's probably nothing. If you just look at it from this standpoint, excuse me, and then pay attention to what's happening next. So now do we get our shoulder here is what I'm trying to explain, where the head was. And now maybe this was an inverted head and shoulders pattern. And now this was nothing. I'm telling you, you got to pay attention to the market. You got to see what's going on. And then what's happening here is we're looking to get that W. And then I'm hoping if we either get that W, we'll see on the confirmation of the neckline being broke. What is the confirmation on the neckline being broke? It's about 207. We seem to be having a hard time. So this is Solana, if anybody's wondering. We seem to be having a really, really hard time at the 207 price for Solana. I don't know what's going on in that 210, and then once we get there, we go to 211. It just keeps getting rejected every single time hardcore recently on the 211, 215 mark. As you know, we've already been at that height. And I'm excited because I love Solana. I got a lot riding on Solana. I really love the network. The Solana punks we talk about, right? You can get the NFT art and have a Solana punk, and I really do have to buy a couple because they're going to start going up. You got to remember, Ethereum did the same thing. So people started buying the Ethereum blockchain, started getting the NFT arts on OpenSea View. We're going to talk about some NFTs soon. But put in the comments what you like, what's your coin. We're not going to probably do TA on your coin today, but I want to know what your what are you investing? And I'm not trying to be nosy. I just want to know what do you like? What are you excited about? Here we go. So we're going to do it right now. So I'm going to break down Bitcoin. I did break down Solana. So we're going to go Bitcoin, Solana, Cardano, Ethereum. So if you want to stick around, we're going Cardano, Ethereum, and then we're just going enjoy your day. Wall Street Pete. That's what I say. So I do believe that Cardano will be done doing this exactly what I was telling you, this head and shoulders pattern, and I do hope we're almost finished here because it's getting on my last nerve. This dead sideways action, this consolidation, and this breakout that we're going to get is getting more intimate as the day grows. Now, it can fall a little bit with the rest of the market with Bitcoin if I do get this at the end of the month here. But remember, this is one of the coins that has a chance to do something different. Why? Well, I want you to understand that. Well, let's see the month here. What was this? September 7th. So since September 7th, what have we been doing? Basically, since that date in the middle of September, we've been doing nothing but slowly consolidating to new lower lows. That's all we've been doing. And it's really constant, as you can see, right? And that's really good. Good morning, Aaron. This is actually really, really exciting. Cardano is going to do something so crazy that you're all going to be FOMOing in beyond this price. Now, it's at a nice price now, and a lot of people say, hey, Pete, that's your favorite question. When is a good time to buy? I love RJ. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. So listen, right now, right there was the best time to buy. I'm going to bet my bags to donuts. I'm joking. I'm going to tell you right now, my TA is pretty good. But also my paying attention to the market. You got to pay attention to the market. You can't just sit here and do TA all day and have no attention. I spend hours and hours. I probably spend more hours breathing, yes, than doing these charts. But I'll tell you right now, we're pretty close neck and neck by breathing and charts. I'm not kidding. So I spend a lot of time on this shit. So if you don't believe me, you definitely haven't been watching. Don't believe me just once. Bum, 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 bum. Yes, this is the Wall Street Pete Sicto Crypto. If you're new here, we do have credentials that I'm very proud of. I worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange. This is a handsome young gentleman in the 2000 era when he came out of the high school time frame. He decided to go there instead of college. Where did he go? Well, he went to a crazy place where it's called You Have, a nice place right here where everybody is screaming and yelling. Open outcry pit. This is how we developed the market. They could rise to the market, these people in here. I don't know if you understand that. Remember how you're talking about getting together on your phone and we go, oh, let's buy Shiba together. And we could rise the price. What do you think every single one that this is one floor? I don't know if you understand this. 25 floors or 100 floors, right? Remember the World Trade? There was 2 million floors. Well, this is one fucking floor. I'm trying to explain to you what's going on. There was coffee in here, natural gas here, heating oil here, heating unleaded here, whatever you can think of, crude oil, cotton, coffee, all the commodities on one floor was, and then we had another one, on another floor, a bunch of people screaming. All of these people dictated the market. You just called up on your phone and said, hey, Pete, I want to buy 10,000 Shiba Inu. Can you please put the order in for me right now? You couldn't buy it anywhere else. You couldn't do nothing else. You have to have a broker. You have to have somebody to go through. I don't know if anybody really understands how this works in life. There's one person here screaming, buying, and one person selling. And that's why I do this every time on my channel, because I don't think people understand where the world came from and how the market dictates going up and down on the price, depending on who's buying and who's selling. We're not all buying at the same time. You can't buy unless someone's selling. You're not going to execute an order on buying right now Cardano at 182 unless there's a knucklehead selling at 182. Do you understand how that works? There's a knucklehead in this world right now that is selling his Cardano at that fucking price. Why? Well, there's a couple reasons. One, he fucking panic sold. That's one. I just want you to understand how important this shit is. And look at this. He lost how much money percent? He lost 14, 15% on his money by panic selling. It's called panic selling. I've never made a good decision when I panicked. And I'll tell you right now, that's why they call it panic selling. So there may be another time where this Cardano comes down and touches another double bottom M. And that's probably the entire market for the rest of this month. And I'm trying to explain it to you. So we may touch this and get it again. If we do get Cardano and you're lucky enough to see these prices again, 183 or something when it comes down, you better be counting your blessings, because this is what we're going into. This is what's happening. So I want you to understand that there's a big chance although we can still go up, we're falling. And I'm trying to explain to you why when I saw 197, I wanted to start selling, because what am I doing? Well, on the 4-hourly, I'm already not liking this. And once this red hand breaks, I'm out like trout. And that is no motherfucking doubt. I'm just trying to explain to you, and that's about where we can go. And if we keep going there, you can see how much support do we have here in this time frame. Please, somebody explain to me, how much support do we have after this? We ain't got diddly squat. And I'll tell you right now, I'm really concerned because I don't want to watch my money go there. And I'm not going to watch my money go there. So this is what's going on, and I'm trying to help you explain. If we go down here and don't bounce, we're in a lot of fucking trouble, because I'll tell you right now, there's really not much support in this area. There's not resistance, there's not support, there's nothing, and that's scary. So this is Solana. We did Bitcoin, we did Cardano, and now we just did Solana. Now Solana, we already know the upside. If I continue to not get this bearish momentum and we break off there, I'll tell you right now, see you later, alligator. And I don't want to hear when we're doing this, hey Pete, what's a good price to get back into Solana? Listen to me. Go play with some rocks. And I love you to death. And I'm not trying to be an asshole. But if you didn't watch any of this and see what we did in August when we were at trading in August 19th, and we were all the way on the 14th at $42 Solana, I don't know what the fuck to tell you. Because right now, we're on a trend that's your friend, and it ain't over till the end. And I'm not Chucky, I'm Wall Street Pete. So enjoy that. Have a seat, Sicto, and crypto. We're going to go to Ethereum right now, and then I'm finito on the day-o because I need to take a break-o. It's Saturday. El Sabado. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. So if you like this stuff and you like this crazy bastard, this is the kind of stuff we do. Hit the bell notification, hit the all. So when we do go live, you can get some live TA. You can get some understanding of what the market might be doing. Now I'm going to pull out some indicators for this one. I didn't pull out any indicators for any other ones because I'm just, I already know what's going on. And I'm not going to sit here and just waste more time. So what's happening here now on Ethereum? It is showing me the trend is your friend, as we always talk. Well, what is the trend doing here? Can you see that on the relative strength index chart? You may not, but I do. The trend is going down currently right now. I do see right now that we were going lower and lower until we established this pull-up back, and that created over the little resistance on the RSI level at 61.9 we were creating. But this is the hourly, and actually, I can't say nothing, but everything's going down but Ethereum. I don't know if you understand that. Like not everything. Everything's got a steady trend. A lot of things have got a steady trend or a retracement coming or a correction pretty much up its ass, except for that. Maybe Engine's doing the same thing, and I do love Engine. That's a Japanese token. And we really only spent a short amount of time at 221, which is telling me that we're going to remain bullish probably on Engine. The last time I peeked out when we were showing a new high, if you can see, we're remaining to have new resistance and support levels at a different price here of the 228, 230. That's good. I don't mind that. That surprised me, but I do remember the 221 level giving us a problem here. We didn't spend too much time there. So this is Engine token. I'm going to jump back to Ethereum as many people are excited, but I do want you to understand that there's a chance that, let's see, wow. Just Engine token, man. I got to take some profits. I didn't realize we were really just cracking and rocking and rocking and rolling. We're going parabolic to the 273. So if you're in strategy with me, and like I said, this is not financial advice. None of this is. This is for entertainment purposes only. But please do your own research. I do believe that we can proceed to get what we need. And I'm taking profits at 273. Yeah, you know mother effing me. I'm Wall Street Pete, Sicto and crypto, so please hit the like and subscribe. That's definitely happening. That's doing something different than the rest of the market. If we form a double top here, and that's what I wanted to tell you real quick before I go on Engine and back to Ethereum. I'm going to have to put Engine in here too. If we form a double top here and we can't slice through this top of the 255, because I know that's been an issue before, but I don't see that coming, then you got to worry a little bit, and there might be the retracement there, but I doubt it. There's so much love coming in that the 273 is definitely for you and me. Yep. So pay attention to that. I am very confident we will continue to get the pop-up even though we're this high on the relative strength index chart. But you do have to remember the trend is your friend. And I'll tell you right now, the trend is moving. So back to Ethereum, and then we're going to end this. I do believe, like I said, though, pay attention. We are in a Saturday weekend. What's up, Luis? We're in a Saturday, El Sabado. And if you understand, only a couple things are going to keep moving in the upwards. There's going to be a couple things going down. I got rid of a little bit of Solana, put a buy back in to see if I can get this 187. I don't want to go too low. I don't think my order will get filled if I go that low on Solana. Every time I go to Ethereum, I jump back to somewhere else. But this is, what do you call it? Anyways, Cardano. I wanted to let you know that Solana is pumping back hopefully soon. And if not, it's at 185. You're going to get that ride down. So that was really important. All right, here we are. We're done. I will not touch Ethereum again, I promise. Here we are, Ethereum. We're staying, and then we're going. All right. Let's see where we're at. We're on the 4-hourly if you want to follow me. Each candle is 4 hours on TradingView. Mana and ASM. Oh, I hear a lot of people talking about the ASM, even my boy Luke. Taking names. I called it 3 days ago. ASM was going to run. I knew ASM was going to run as well. A lot of people are talking about it, and I'm going to have to go do a little bit of research more on it, but I didn't. What am I going to do? Put my money everywhere? I got money everywhere, but, up my, So you can only have money. That's the other thing. Try not to be in everything. You can't sit here and be stressing out and go, oh my gosh, you can't do that to yourself. So please don't. There is a rising channel currently on Ethereum. I do enjoy the living dick out of this one because this one seems to be going. It's like the song that doesn't end. Yes, Ethereum goes on and on, my friend. Some people started singing it not knowing what it was, and they'll continue singing it forever just because this is the song that doesn't end. Yes, it's Ethereum, my girlfriend. So if you start asking for digits, I will knock your fucking ass. It is my girlfriend, she will last. She's got a real nice ass. It's the song that doesn't end. Yes, it's Ethereum, my girlfriend. Now, got a little resistance. We gotta check this out. Be right back. Don't have somebody knocking on my door there. So, as we were being really silly, and I'm sorry about that, but you will start singing songs, you will start getting excited. This may now, I'm trying to understand where we're going on Ethereum here. I'm going to pull out a couple indicators. I want to go to the EMA exponential moving average because I did a video yesterday explaining to people that 48.47 is coming. But what's scaring me with that is, as you know, we've done this before, and what did history show? Well, this seems to be a little bit of a problem here. So even though we did jump above it, I'm starting to see a trend here that I don't like. And this is not the song that never ends, right? This song never ends. It's hilarious, right? Oh, man, life is good. So I hope you're having a great day. That's why you're right close, still shouting from O2. Mike, you say that one more time, Mike. I'm going to come over there and I'm going to just do nothing. Anyways, we got some moves to go. We got Ethereum. We got many ways to come through, but there may be a retracement back down towards this level here. As you see, we have resistance. Well, every time I explain to you, we get a lot of flips on this. And I don't know if anyone understands what a flip really is. A flip is when something used to be resistance, right? This is resistance, say, 62.5. Well, at one point in time, as we climbed to 20,000, 10,000 Ethereum, and I know people are fucking salivating over that, just that thought, right? We're going to see this price again. I don't know if you understand. Ethereum doesn't go up and then go to 10,000 and then it's like, okay, off to 200,000, I'm a millionaire. It's going to come back down. You're going to see the 6,200. You're going to go, what the fuck happened? What did I do? And then even sometimes the FOMO is so bad, you're going to see a level of a trend line going down, but you get a bounce up. But you got to understand that. So I don't think a lot of people are really getting the crypto market. You're so green. You're so new into this market that you trade on emotion, and that's why that's one of the most important things. So let's press refresh here on the total crypto market cap, and I want to see where we're at. And I was going to say we need to stay above the 2.60 to really, really remain bullish for this weekend. That's really important, as this is the song that never ends. This is the channel that'll never end. Hopefully, we can continue and go. And I want you to understand that there's a lot to keep moving. There's a lot of positivity. We need to stay above this 20K, and that's why that's scaring me too. 17 billion in volume on Ethereum. That's not good. That is not good at all. That's actually very bearish. And if I'd explained to you what could happen, well, there's that red line as I continue to not right-click before I drag, excuse me. That's trading. You have to right-click before you drag over right and left as I get you dizzy. You have to right-click when you have a crayon coming or a drawing. And I never right-click. I always just go again. So This is what I'm explaining. There is something maybe coming down again, and I want you to know that's a healthy move. We can get a fall, so we're going to talk about it. So I'm going to do everything that any person that does TA would probably cry. Remove the drawings, remove everything. I don't give a damn. So I want you to see what we did before, and I want you to understand that we really, really need to continue to break out this price. This is a price I need to see a weekly above, 44,000. So I'm going to immediately go to the weekly chart, and I want to see what's going on, and that's it. That's exactly what I thought. We're having a little bit of trouble breaking above the 44,000 of Ethereum. I needed to break above. I needed to finish above on the weekly, and that's going to be important for Ethereum. F what Bitcoin's doing right now. Ethereum's doing its own little thing, and what I need is to see the weekly be really, really up here above the 4,400 level, excuse me. And when we can do that and we can finish, which now we have 1 day and 12 hours. So as you notice, in the next 36 hours is crucial. And I'm going to put that right here. We need to really see that 4,400 break. And that's very important. Very, very important. Next 36 hours is very important. I'm just trying to tell you right now, that's crucial. It's crucial here for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And Ethereum by itself right now, I'm trying to explain to you, this is doing something. So we're going to look at this really quick, and I want to see what's happening. There's a chance, and I'm trying to explain. I don't want you to get too excited, because on the weekly, whoo! Imagine this being a shoulder, ladies and gentlemen. Imagine that, right? This is getting pretty exciting, because if this is a shoulder, what the F does the head look like? I don't know where it is. I don't know how it's coming, but I'll tell you right now, we went over it a couple times, and I do believe that we're in the chunk of that 6,000 frame. We do have to get to the 4,800 level I had up there before this. It was some TA I did. I don't know where it is now. I mean, I could hit back and go get back to it, but I'm not doing it. But I want you to understand that between this, let's get to the EMA ribbon and the Bollinger Bands. And if you did not hit the like button yet, please hit the like button. I need as many likes as possible, because for me to continue to do this, I need it. I need your help. I need people to understand what's going on, and I need you to understand that there is a shoulder pattern here, and there is a big head on the weekly. We're talking about the weekly, so we got plenty of weeks to come in. We have 8 more weeks until Christmas. I know that sounds stupid. I hate to be that guy, and let me tell you something else. It's really 7. So pay attention to what's going on. The next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles are going to be fucking massive. So I don't know what to say. I'm going to leave this video at that. Wall Street Pete, Sicto, and crypto, although we may pop up and get some resistance, I want you to understand that there is a level where that might be the ribbon. What is that price? That's fucking scary. But I'll tell you right now, if something like that ever were to happen, and I don't think that this is going to play out like that, so calm down. This is the weekly. We're not going to get 1, 2 candles like that. But if we did, we got 1, 2 candles like that, you bet your ass those next candles are going to look like that. So I'm just trying to explain to you a scenario that could play out, what we're doing, but the ultimate goal: do not trade on emotion, and do not ever get worried about that. If you see these red candles going down, remember there's a tip of the ribbon. This is the exponential moving average, and these ribbons, when they spread, we get price action. Right now, we are spreading, and I'll tell you, on the weekly, we've been nothing but a red band on the right outside going up, which is always bullish. If you've watched my channels, we talk about how the ribbon flips yellow. You're in trouble. So Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. This was me last night. Funny as hell. And before we leave you off with that, we'll have a good day, right? And I hope you have a wonderful day. It is a Saturday. Some of you are off. Some of you are still working. And Aaron Selner over there, that buddy guy of mine, he works his ass off. And that gentleman over there, one day you're going to make it, brother. One day you're going to make it, Selner. You know why? Because you are a hard worker. And that's awesome. So I hope you have a good day, everyone. This is funny. I'm going to keep playing that dream until where I'm rich as AF. Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto, www.worksessions.com. Check us out. Greg Streets. Yeah.
Gonna have a good day. La-dee-da-da.
Yeah. Hit that like and subscribe today. Know my name ain't motherfucking Jose. It's Wall Street Pete, and we do TA this way. We got bills to pay. I don't don't know what next to say, but I don't care because I graduated. Hey, I got a high school diploma. Did you know my mama is Ghana? And I don't care because now I got Solana, and I don't care. It's Saturday, you better enjoy your day. You better wake up on the right side and listen to me, yeah. This is not financial advice, but I'm nice. And I'll tell you right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I forgot twice. Let's talk about it. I'll give you some advice. It's not crazy. I am crazy. I'm not lazy, but baby, one day we're going to the moon and we're going soon. Crypto in crypto. Wall Street Pete, I'm out. Scream and shout. Let everybody know what Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum is all about. We're in the crypto world.
Gonna have a good day.
Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Ain't no one got it done today. So hit that like, subscribe, baby. Yeah, yeah. Hit the like, subscribe, we're going high to ride. I wanna feel the ball, you know I wanna make so much more. I don't want you to ignore this channel. You hit the like, subscribe, you hit the snooze, well, then you're gonna lose. This is the best motherfucking crypto channel you choose, and I'm telling you, I'm no longer singing the blues. Yeah, crypto and crypto. I thought I'd let you know. Love y'all, peace in and peace out, and thank you so much for everybody's support. I've been going through hell, and I'm sure you are too. But remember, put on a good beat like Greg Streets, and have a good day. Woo!